Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay ituloy natin yung series natin on senior high school pre-calculus. No? At pinag-uusapan natin dito sa ating previous video ay ang parabola. No? So, meron tayong sample problem dito. This is a very basic problem, no, na sinosolve sa senior high, no? Yung analytic geometry in particular, or yung conics, no? Circle, parabola, ellipse, no? And try natin i-solve, no? Kung napanood niyo yung mga previous videos and naintindihan niyo, hindi nyo kailangan actually ng formula. Hindi ka lang magkabisado basta naintindihan niyo siya. Diba? So, find the coordinates of the focus, the length of the latus rectum, and the coordinates of its endpoints, and the equation of the directrix of the x squared equals 12y. So this is a parabola, no? And sketch the graph. Okay, so kung naalala nyo yung previous video natin, kung napanood nyo at naintindihan nyo, no? So pwede tayong maglagay dyan ng ano dito, no? Ng sketch, no? Mas madali pag in-sketch nyo muna, no? At naintindihan nyo yung mga pwesto ng mga points. Madali lang siya, no? So this is our vertex, no? Dyan dumadaan yung parabola. Kasi pinag-aaralan pa lang natin yung parabola na dumadaan sa vertex. Later, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ba yung equation naman ng parabola na hindi dumadaan. So, mukhang hindi siya dumadaan sa drawing ko, pero dapat dumaan siya dun sa 0, 0. No? Okay, so, pardon the drawing. No? Hindi siya mukhang parabola, no? But I think you get the idea. So, ang ating equation, di ba? X squared equals 4ay from the previous video. And alam natin that the focus, yung F dito, yung F natin, yan yung ating focus. Ang kanyang coordinates ay 0a. So, saan natin kukunin yung A? No? Alam natin that the general equation is x squared equals 4ay. Pero meron tayong x squared equals 12y. Ano napapansin nyo? Yung 4a is equal to 12. No? Kasi y na lang matitira dyan. Ibig sabihin, 4a is equal to 12, which means that a is equal to 3. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang a natin dito ay 3. So, 0, 3. Okay? This is x, this is y. No? Okay. Ano pa? Kailangan din natin hanapin yung directrix, no? Anong characteristic ng directrix? Same distance siya from the focus. The parabola is a set of points which is the same distance from a point which is the focus. Ito yung F natin, and a line. So may line here somewhere na pareho yung distance niya. No? So since pag nandito yung point ng parabola, gitna siya ng point na F, no? Itong F natin. Pag nandito siya, gitna siya ng F tsaka ng point, intersection ng point. Tsaka yung ating directrix, this is our directrix. Kasi same distance dapat itong point na to from F tsaka from the directrix, which means na kung 3 ito, this is 3 units, di ba? Kasi 3 yung y niya. 3 units nito from here. So meaning the equation of the directrix is y equals negative 3. Okay, so okay na tayo dito. Nakuha na natin yung focus. Nakuha na rin natin yung equation ng directrix. So dalawa na lang. Ano ba yung length ng latus rectum, naalala nyo? Kung naalala nyo sa previous video, no, ang latus rectum ay 4a. No? Ang length niya ay 4a. Ibig sabihin, ang length ng latus rectum natin, ang latus rectum natin is the segment, no, na dumadaan sa focus papunta dun sa parabola. Okay? So, ito yung F natin. Ang kanyang coordinates ay 0, 3. Okay? So, sabi natin ang latus rectum ay 4a siya, which means na ang length ng latus rectum ay 12. No? Kung 12, suppose this is P tsaka P prime yung latus rectum natin. Pag 12 yan, ibig sabihin taga-6 sila. Kasi midpoint tong F eh. Ibig sabihin, tig-a-anim yung dalawang ito. 6 na units yan, di ba? 6 units. Nakita nyo kung naintindihan nyo, hindi kailangan kabisudin yung formula, di ba? So, pag 6 units yan, ibig sabihin, this point has the same y coordinate as F, di ba? Kasi pareho sila ng y coordinate na 3. Pero since 6 siya, 6 na units siya from the midpoint, meaning this is 6, 3. At yung opposite nito, this is just symmetric, so meaning this is negative 6, 3. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung length ng latus rectum. The length of the latus rectum, LLR na lang, no? Is equal to 12. No? Tapos yung coordinates ng dulo, no? The coordinates of the endpoints of the latus rectum are 0, are 6, 3, 6, 3, and negative 6, and 3. Okay, so sana yung maiksing problem na ito ay na-reinforce yung inyong pagkakaintindi, no? ng mga different parts of the different terms related to parabola, yung latus rectum, yung directrix, yung vertex, no? This is our vertex, our focus, no? And again, ulit-ulitin ko kung sinasabi to, no? Para mas mag-sink in. A parabola is a set of points, no? On a plane or in a plane that is equidistant from a fixed point, no? Fixed point F, which is the focus, and the directrix line. So pag ang point natin dito dapat, although hindi accurate yung drawing natin, but if we have a point here, the distance from the focus, tapos yung distance from the focus and the distance from the directrix. Although hindi accurate nga, no? Parang mas mahaba, ibig sabihin mali yung drawing natin. But the distance, no, from here to here should be equal to the distance from here to here. Okay, so yun yung mga set of points. Kahit saan yung green na point natin dito sa parabola. Okay, so sana ay may natutunan kayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala kung hindi masyado na-gets. Ulit-ulitin yung panood yung videos, no, para mas lalong mag-sink in sa inyo yung mga concepts. Okay, maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.